So of course, on problem 1, you can do E, finding the nominal steady state with solver. We can do D, finding the A, B, C transpose, A, B, gamma with computer. Problem 2 will give you a measurement equation. You need to find for problem 2B, C transpose, and then this is standard notation. So for that problem, equations triple star can be used for finding the transfer function for 2B. But on problem 3 star, I'm giving you something that has dynamics. I've given you already the form x prime dot equals ax plus bu prime. There's no disturbance here, I'm just interested to you. And I'm giving you a measurement equation that now has also, instead of having just y prime of t is delayed x prime, it has a y prime dot on top. Okay? So how do you find the transfer function for problem 3? So let's do a problem similar to that. And of course, I could give you a vector situation for x prime. Here, this will be scalar. So let's say I have x prime dot equals 73 minus 73 x prime plus 2 u prime minus 3 d1 prime. And I have this measurement equation. 3 y prime dot plus y prime equals x prime, let's say delayed by this, let me put of t, make it clear. So, what do we do to find the transfer function? With Laplace transform and use a dictionary.
Is that a 9 or a G? That's a
Does it
9?
make sense to have a G here?
I don't know.
What should it be? T minus a delay, right? Make the connection. There should be a delay, right?
Yeah, I
It
mean,
has to
yeah.
be a number.
Yeah, okay.
No matter what my handwriting is, it would have to be a number.
Okay.
All right. So, I'll use a dictionary for both equations, okay? Although first you could take that, but let's directly use the dictionary. So, dictionary for this, what does it give me? So, you read dictionary. So, dictionary for x prime dot, what does it give me? That box that I put on it, you can see now why I boxed it. S x prime bar, the scalar, so I don't put the bar on the bottom. Minus x prime of 0. What do I do with that?
Cancel it.
Implied assumption. Equals. What happens to the minus 73 x prime?
Put bars on the X.
Right, minus 73 x prime bar. What happens to 2u prime bar?
Bar.
To 2u prime. I said bar already said. Becomes 2u prime bar. What happens to minus 3d1 prime bar? I did it again. So minus 3 d1 prime bar. So I can use that to solve for x prime bar. So move x prime bar to the other side. S plus 73 x prime bar equals 2u prime bar minus 3 d1 prime bar. So x prime bar equals two over s plus 73 u prime bar plus minus 3 over s plus 73 d1. And now let's first Laplace transform the second equation. So Laplace transforming the second equation, what do I do with the 3y prime bar of t? The box. The f is now y prime. So I get 3s times y prime bar minus y prime of 0. Obviously, we kill that with the implied assumption. Plus Laplace transform of y prime with y prime bar equals. What happens with the implied assumption to 4x prime of t minus 9? What do I use? The third one. Okay? Brianna? I'll pick on you since you told me last time, so what do I put here? Last transform of
It's x bar prime.
x prime bar times
E minus 9. Oh, yeah, E minus 9.
e to the minus 9s. My delay here is 9. So finally, the last thing I need to do, okay, so we can solve here for y prime bar in terms of x prime bar. So this becomes, let me put my hand. Yeah, I'm doing fine. Slow down. 3s plus 1 y prime bar equals 4x prime bar e to the minus 9s, or y prime bar equals 4 over 3s plus 1 times x prime bar times e to the minus 9s. Then plug in from x prime bar above. And we get y prime bar equals 4 over 3s plus 1 times 2 over 70 over s plus 73 times u prime bar, and don't forget, okay, let's do the whole thing, plus minus 3 over s plus 73 d1 prime bar e to the minus 9s, and I'll group function of s times u prime bar plus function of s times d1 prime. So grouping things differently, I get 8 over 3s plus 1 s plus 73. I'll put 8 to the minus 9s also in here. That's what you have in front of u prime bar. And what I have in front of d1 prime bar is 4 times minus 3, so minus 12 over 3s plus 1, s plus 73, e to the minus 9s. d1. What is my d of s? This. What is in front of u prime bar It's all numbers and S. This is the GD of X. And this here is GD1 of X. We got it? Very straightforward. It's the dictionary plus implied assumption that leads to the transform. Any questions? So homework 3 is due 1 week from today. Everything that we didn't do in homework 2 is all gone. Yes. Stephen? Sorry, John?